In this video, we're going to learn about permalinks and why they are important to your research. So if you look here, I'm going to go back to my good old Antietam. I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to scroll down to the first. Actually, I'm going to restrict this to articles just so I can have a better example for you. Here we have one from the Civil War history. So I click this article. And after it pops up at the top bar, you see permalink. You're going to click permalink here. And what you can do is you can copy this code down, paste that into a Word document. And now it is a link, so if I click that link, it will take me right back to the article. And that's useful to save time when you want to get back to an article. You're like, I really like this one, I really need to keep it in. And so it's a useful way of finding a direct link to an article that you found and saving that link so that you can return to where you've gone before. Very helpful for research, as we've all been there before. When you miss or you forget where you've been and you want to get back to it, permalinks are a great way of eliminating that fact.